Hello all, welcome to our channel. So major question is called how to creating for free ads on your particular website. There is a call, so many websites are here. This all website list will be available into the my particular website into blogs. I'll share it within 1 hour. When you're watching this video, that will be available into the my blogs option. So any kind of blogs, how you can creating for free ads. So why it is accepting free ad will be here. They're earning money from through AdSense. So that is called they will be start for the your particular things. So I'm give the individual continue. So everyone we can portrait will be ads. So after that, what are the your category? For sale, vehicle classes, real estate service, community, health and job. This will be services. Continue. So what are the steps we can creating will be in a ads will be here. Title. Title nothing but what are the course you're promoting will be here. So we can go to will be here. Copy. Next will be just I'm creating for these points. We can after that continue. This supporting for 5,000 character, but I'm writing only for 1400 change. I'm writing will be characters. Address. The last address will be Hyderabad. So completers we can write or we can write it only for Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad will be enough. No need to writing for everything. Prices. So that will be Indian rupees. So it's not a mandatory one. I'll go with the next option. After this one, we have to adding for your name. So name will be and writing will be Rakesh Tech Solutions. Mail ID will be writing will be here. So let's click for continue. After that, add your phone number. This will be optional, but I'm writing will be phone number will be here. After I can continue will here. So this I'm typing here. When I enter the phone number, everything here. Select. This will be supporting for entire countries. So once with the add it will be here. Some will be not done by here. Continue. I'm not a robot. Here again 4 images is required. Each image will be KB each image. So what are the image you have? Clear it. We can add will be here. So we can go with the one image represented by the more services. That is the important one. So click here, publishing listing. So everything will be here. We can go with option will be everything. I'm not a robot. Click for continuity option. So here is that. What are the things you can hear? Everything will be compulsory important. Which is missing will be here. You can intimate it. So we can add by image like this. Click for the continue option. So they will be publishing this is going on will be by email itself. So that all will be listing will be what are the ads we created. That all will be you can go to will be submit this particular option will be here. So right now what are the error will occur? You can fix by here and continue. This classified will be put together to make that whole finding business and item processing fit more pleasant to your finding will be here. So what are the missing will be here. So it is called. So publish your listing will be going on, your process will be here. That is the option. So what is the approval is done by? Everything you receive by the mail will be compulsory important. So which is not working, leave and work from the other classified ads. So any classified will be mainly focus about the category, title, description, what are your phone number, your contact details, and messaging purpose. This all will be important. So that all will be into compulsory use for the particular business promotion purpose. That is called anyone looking for free ads. That one and only option name is called classified. That is called we generating for this website. freeadstime.org, Locanto, Viva Street, Click In, Click India, Gigi List. So no, so many websites are here. So these all website will be using to generating will be classified ads for the free and get the leads from your business account. So if any further question you have, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.